Are you trying to sell your Colorado Springs house fast? Does your home need a ton of repairs and you just don't have the time or the money to do it? Zech Buys Houses can make you a fair all-cash offer and even guarantee it. We are a real estate solutions and investment firm whose mission is to help sellers get rid of bad and burdensome properties fast. We're a small team that makes it easy for you to sell your property, all while treating you with dignity and respect. We pay all of the closing costs and there are no realtor fees. We've been buying properties for over 10 years. If you're in a sticky situation like foreclosure or probate, or you just own a home that needs a lot of repairs, or maybe it has a bad foundation, your nightmare is over. And yes, we do buy nice homes from time to time. Connect with us today so we can figure out the best solution for your situation. Even if we don't buy your home, we'll help you find a solution. Call us today at 719-426-2494.